Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anand and I am a trained SAP Business One consultant. In this video, I will show you how to organize and sort your own UDF categories, especially when you have too many UDFs cluttering on your screen. Let's get started. First, if you are working on a sales order, open the sales order form. If the UDF section is not visible, go to the top left corner, click View and then User Defined Fields. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus U to bring up the UDF section. Now go to the Tools menu, then Customization Tools and click on Settings. A small window will appear showing all the UDF available for the marketing documents. From here you can select the UDFs you want to display to make them easier to manage. So click on Categories, then click the drop down and choose Define New. You can name this category something like Sales or Sales Order. Assign the relevant UDF to this category by selecting them one by one. Now return to your sales order form. In the UDF section, you will see a drop down at the top. Select your new category and you will notice that only the UDFs you selected are shown, much cleaner and easier to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That way you will get notified as soon as I upload more SAP Business One tips and tricks. So thank you for being here. See you in the next video.